this is pawpaw leaf. Of course, in this video I actually wanted to talk about what you can use with pawpaw leaf and pawpaw in poultry. So welcome to my channel, and I have here with me an expert in poultry who has been practicing organic and inorganic way of rearing birds. So let's talk about how to use pawpaw and pawpaw leaf in poultry.
Thank you, my presenter. Pawpaw leaf is pawpaw as a whole is one of the herbs that helps in the poultry farming. It helps in poultry, and using pawpaw to control.
Okay, we use
pawpaw
to
pawpaw leaf and pawpaw seed
for deworming.
Okay. In poultry. Now, pawpaw leaf. In pawpaw leaf helps in deworming also. People that cannot give seed, because seed takes a long process for you to give them. But pawpaw leaf, you can introduce it to them in their water.
Okay, let's break it down. Let's start with pawpaw leaf. How do you use pawpaw leaf to deworm your Bels?
You use pawpaw leaf, you can air dry it.
Okay.
So you air dry it, you can grind it and mix it with your feed. Or better still, you squeeze it and give them in their water.
Okay.
In using pawpaw leaf, it will not eliminate all the something finish. You still need to use the synthetic dewormer.
Okay, that's deworming.
Yeah, either ivermectin or peppermicin and the likes. Now, but in pawpaw, and as you are giving that pawpaw leaf, it will also help in other ailments, as well as giving them much vitamin and minerals in their body. Now, pawpaw leaf also control coccidiosis in the poultry.
Okay.
As well as some other infections.
Okay. Now let's talk about pawpaw seed. How do you use that?
In using pawpaw seed, it takes a process whereby you dry it.
Okay.
When you dry pawpaw seed, you dry, you grind. After you grind, you now take 30 grams.
You grind the pawpaw seed.
You grind it. Now take 30 grams into 4 liters of water, of which you give them for 2 days. With that, you are very sure that the worms are being taken care of.
So now, which one is more effective? Is it the pawpaw leaves or pawpaw seed?
Due to the processing, the pawpaw seed is more effective, but it takes a long process.
Okay.
If you use pawpaw leaf, you will still have to use the synthetic drug.
Okay.
But pawpaw seed takes care of it.
You don't need
any synthetic drug again.
So how often can someone be using it in his or her poultry?
As I've said earlier, that if you give the leaf will also add to their nutrients.
Okay.
It also add to their body weight, and also take care of anything like coccidiosis.
Okay.
So if you use the leaf often, it will help in their growth, and at the same time help reduce the effect of worms in their body. When the worm is more able in the body, it makes their food not be effective in their body, and then they will not gather more weight. But when the worm has been reduced to a greater level, their weight will be there and they will be doing fine.
Okay. So thank you so much. So now, in order to reduce cost of buying drugs, of course, pawpaw leaves can actually be used. And it is very, very effective.
Very, very effective in poultry.
Okay, thank you so much for that knowledge. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Till we come your way next time, don't forget, what is important is result. And trying to cut costs. This high cost of feeding and rearing livestock is what is paramount. So thank you, and see you in our next video.